Hey guys, we're out here turkey hunting again. Yesterday we got super close and we just got a gobble and he sounds like he's in the exact same spot as yesterday. So if we mess this up, we suck. So it should be perfect. It should be the same exact thing as yesterday. Wish us luck.
So exciting.
Very sneaky. Turkey season. Shoot whatever you want. Shoot him in, shoot him in. Shoot him in. This way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. That happened so freaking quick.
Oh my gosh.
2020 turkey, baby. Yeah!
Woo! Oh my gosh, I thought I wasn't gonna get him.
Oh.
How many times do you think I even shot him?
Shoot him in, shoot him in. Shoot. This way. I think you're hitting him, we should. I just think we need to buy bigger loads.
Something. I was like, what the freak? Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Yes! That worked perfect. We weren't even calling.
I'm so happy.
He came right down the same path as yesterday.
I know. He was so quiet. We didn't even hear him coming. You're just like, there he is. Shoot.
That's the same bird. Look at his tail feathers, like I told you. How blonde they are.
Oh yeah, that's super pretty. Woohoo! Yeah! He's really pretty.
So fast.
I'm so happy we got him.
We weren't calling or anything.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, baby. He's, what's that back? He's got the back claw.
That's a big spur.
Yeah, that's a good spur. Woo!
It's an old bird. Good job, babe. Yes!
Woo!
I'm so happy. Look at that beard. I told you he was big.
Oh yeah. Huh. He's pretty.
He's a beautiful bird. He's an old bird.
Yeah,
Look
he
at
is.
this feather.
He's big.
That is perfect.
I don't know where all... Is he damaged when I shot? I don't even... Oh my gosh.
Look, I'm sure. He got him quick. He died quick.
Uh,
Did you see him? He saw that decoy and he was just strutting.
yeah, he was going straight to it.
Oh, that worked so
We got the
perfect.
decoy right here.
That worked so perfect.
Yep, he had to have seen that and just headed for it.
He wasn't even paying attention to us.
Uh-uh. He had no freaking clue we were there. We were right by this bush using it as a cover.
I'm so happy.
Oh, me too. Yes, babe. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's such a pretty bird.
Oh my goodness.
You're right, it has that like light brown color on the...
Yeah, he's a lighter color than mine.
It's pretty. Yes! Woohoo! So happy.
Yes. That was freaking awesome.
How many days of hunting him? 3?
3 hunting him.
3. Well, I think 4 like hearing him, but 3
We had
hunting him.
3 days hunting no bird other than him.
Yep.
He was our
Big.
target. And we got him.
Oh my gosh.
Now we got to find another one because I'm pretty sure he's the only bird in this canyon.
I know. Oh, he's so pretty.
I think this is when he was flying away. You shot him in the back.
That's what I thought. I didn't know. I just was shooting because I didn't want him to get away.
Did you aim at the head the first shot?
Yeah, but not the other ones. He was moving and I was like, I don't know when to shoot, so I just went for it. You tell where he's been shot?
I don't know, but I'm so happy.
Me too. Yeah, baby! Woo! You see me in it?
What do you think?
So happy. 4 years of hunting turkey, and I finally got a shot today.
And she made it happen.
Woo! Feels good. He's beautiful.
He's a beautiful bird. He's
really
an
pretty.
old bird. It's exactly what you want. An old Tom.
I don't know if it's cutting or not. April 22nd.
It's official. You are tagged out.
Woo! I was gonna say a turkey killer, but tagged out works too.
You're both.
Pretty heavy.
Well, I think we've decided that Ashley's had, I think we decided 4 turkey tags in her life. She's never been able to pull the trigger. She's been super close before, but it all came together tonight, and with the beautiful bird too. So we're super happy. I wouldn't walk over there if I was you. You're gonna fall through.
No. It gives me more weight too.
It's pretty heavy.
Really heavy. Whoa! Look at that deadhead with antlers still.
Today's the luckiest day of your life.
Oh my gosh! Oh! I was like, what the heck?
I didn't even see it.
Do you think it's no, not post?
Well, we're in Idaho, so you can take it.
Yeah! Yeah.
There's no laws on it in Idaho.
What the heck?
There you go.
Nice.
How's that for a day?
What the? Oh my gosh. Nice. Today is a good day.
That's awesome.
That's so cool. Wow.